So we're about to go into production for our client short here, and we're discussing the elastic and what we're going to use. And this is the perfect for men's activewear. You see the stretch has a nice give, not too tight.
Yeah, no get burned. Well, I was using the rubber for this tennis line, the elastomer. They use it for swim because it gets wet and all the elements. So
That make you sweaty.
I was using that, but it's way tighter. It's not as like
Okay,
loose
these are
and-
the one and a half.
Okay.
And these
This is where a lot of our clients will bring in their logo heat transfer that they want on their activewear so that it can be pressed onto the inside of their garments, which is great for swimwear, activewear, anywhere where you don't want the tag easily removed. Here we are in the factory. This is a marker of a client's collection. You can see all the pattern pieces are laid out exactly so they don't have fabric wastage here on the sides. This gets laid over their fabric, which can get triple, 4 times laid out on top. And it's precisely cut out around each piece. You see there. Because once the marker is done, we'll know exactly how much fabric we need to order for each client. See here how they have all this quantity on the side. This is why it's important that you meet the quantity minimums at the factory, because they can do your full collection much faster and more efficiently. See, they usually do a color per day, a style per day. Here at the factory, they're just ironing all the finished pieces, which then will now get put into their packaging. Usually they'll get their tags attached and they'll get put into a plastic poly bag, and then they're ready to be shipped to the client.
Okay.
Here's the poly bags that we use at the factory to put the finished garments inside, and it's great because they don't get as wrinkled, and you can easily see the tag from the outside of the size, so which is great when you're shipping to your customer your product.